In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this beautiful animated gradient text effect in Figma from scratch. So here I have set up some of the colors which we'll be using in this video. So you can copy these color codes. Every color code has the box next to it. So you can see that this color code is giving this color, and same for all the others. So you can copy these color codes as they are by pausing this video. Once you have set up your colors, just click on the text tool and type anywhere on the canvas and start typing. I will type amazing. You can type any word you want, and then the fonts I have set it to enter and bold, and size is 32. So once you have set this up, just bring it over here so it will be easy for you to pick the colors from the left side. Once you have selected your text box, click on this fill, and inside the fill, instead of solid, keep it to gradient, and then you'll find these two boxes over here, same which is showing on the canvas. Click on the first box and it will show the color picker. Then click on this eyedropper tool and pick the first color, and then select the second box, and then again click the eyedropper tool and then choose the second box color. And also you can just drag the handles of this to make it like in this angle, so it will show the color fading away. So now what you have to do is, now you have to duplicate this text. Click on the text while holding down Alt on the keyboard. I'll click and drag on the bottom, and now you have to give this text the color which is in the second row. So again, come up to your fill menu on the here, and then click on this box. Again, click on the eyedropper and then choose the color same way we did for the first set. This time we are choosing the color from the second row. Same thing you will have to do for the rest of these. So here I have set up all the colors which is on the left side onto this text. So once you have done that, click and drag all your text boxes and come up to the menu here on the right and click on this create component drop down and click on create multiple components. So once that's done, click on combine as variants. So now this has become a component set. Once you have made the component, then click on the first text, go to the prototype tab, and then click and drag this arrow onto the second text, and the trigger will keep it to after delay to 1 millisecond, and it will smart animate to ease out, and duration keep it to 1200 milliseconds. Same thing you have to do for the rest of these. After delay, make it 1 million millisecond, and the animation will be smart animate to ease out 1200 milliseconds. Same thing for this also. Trigger will be after delay, and the delay will be 1 millisecond. Then the animation will be smart animate ease out to 1200 milliseconds. Same thing for this. Just change it to 1 millisecond. The rest is same as it is. Then same for this. After delay, make it 1 millisecond. Smart animate ease out to 1200 millisecond. And then for this, keep it all the way to the top one. After delay, 1 millisecond. Animation smart animate easing ease out to, and duration will be 1200 milliseconds. So once that's done, let's see our prototype in action. Click and drag a frame anywhere on the canvas, and then come up to the assets panel on the left. Go to your component section and click and drag the component which you have created and place it anywhere on the canvas. I'll just place it in center and then click on play. See now our prototype is playing and animating with beautiful gradient colors. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more training videos like these. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.